Hello, hope everybody's good. Welcome to the channel, Crossword Don Daily Challenge. If you're learning English and want a fun and free way to practice, or you want to improve your spelling, your vocabulary, your memory, or lateral thinking, crossword's the way to go. So with that said, let's get into today's grid. Monday, February 19th, Metro quick crossword. Right, let's go. Yearly records, annals. One down, part of speech, adverb, adv, adve, turn across. Newspaper boss, editor. Don't know if it's O or E. Let's see. Three down, prophet, seer. Two down, subsides, abates. 14 across, acquire, get. 9 down, decompose, rot. So it was over. 8 across, challenge, dare. 8 down, lodgings, digs. 17 across, fish type, bass. Okay, adverb. 18 down, cognizant, aware, I believe. 26 across, illegal burning, arson. 22 down, fish eggs, roe. 22 across, inert gas, rayon. 19 down, unopened flower, that's bud. Okay, radon, that's bud. 19 across, meat in rashers, bacon. 12 down, merriment, fun. 11 across, jungle expedition, safari. 6 down, tree sap, resin. 5 down, of the sun, solar. 16 across, Italian city, Turin. 13 down, wash out, rinse. 23 across, pace, step. 25 down, die, perish. Okay, 24 down, carry, tote. 28 across, a low, moo. 28 down, west, actress, May. 30 down, sharpen, wet. 30 across, waiter. 33 across, deep ditch or furrowed trench. Tote was 24 down. 31 across, in this place here. 23 down, private evening party, soiree. So, Mae West, actress. 21 across, sucralose, sugar. 15 down, truck, wagon. 7 across, always, evermore. 4 down, original, creator. 29 across, cure, remedy. Right, so that is 18 down, cognizant, aware. Remedy. 21 down, light shoes, sandals. 26 down, stadium, arena. 27 down, slap, smack. 32 across, jewelry item, necklace. And that's it. Done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.